Hello and Namaskar dear kids. Today in this video lesson we are going to learn about object pronouns. What are object pronouns? Object pronouns are me, her, him, us and them. And the learning objective of this lesson is by the end of this lesson you will be able to understand the use of the word me, her, him, us, them in real life context. Then you will also be able to understand the difference between word like us, we, I, me, you, him. आपको वर्ड्स के डिफरेंसेस भी समझ में आएंगे और आप इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हो कम्युनिकेटिंग में भी. यस, यू कैन अप्लाई द लर्निंग व्हाइल यू कम्युनिकेट. Alright, so let's get started with chapter number 8, object pronouns. Let us see the explanation of object pronouns. But before that, do you remember subject pronouns? Subject pronouns, we can say subject pronouns take the place of noun subject. Yes. In subject pronoun we have two categories, singular and plural. In singular we have I, you, he, she and it जो subject की जगह पे यूज होता है, और plural we, you, they जो कि हमने इसके पहले वाले चैप्टर यानी कि चैप्टर नंबर 7 में रीड किया था. अब हम देखने वाले हैं ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस में भी दो कैटेगरीज होती है, सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन और प्लूरल ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस. तो मी, हर, हिम ये सब होता है सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, वेयर एज प्लूरल ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस आर अस एंड देम. ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस आर लाइक सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस बट गो इन डिफरेंट प्लेस. ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन की जैसे ही होते हैं मगर इनकी प्लेस डिफरेंट होती है. इन इंग्लिश वी पुट ऑब्जेक्ट आफ्टर द वर्ब. वी पुट ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस ऑब्जेक्ट्स आफ्टर द वर्ब. We use object pronouns to substitute for nouns. Now let us see the examples of object pronouns. Here are the examples of object pronouns. Dear kids, आपको कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है अभी. I'll instruct you when you have to write, but अभी आपको कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है कहीं पे भी. आपको सिर्फ समझना है. So look here and understand whatever I am explaining you. Now see the examples of object pronouns. The first example is of me. Hello, who is this? Hi, it's Rohan. Instead of saying hi, it's Rohan, we can say hi, it's me. So instead of saying it's Rohan, you can say it's me, and me is singular object pronoun. Whereas come to the second example, that is him. Nadia loves sitting next to Mike. Instead of saying Mike, him हम किसके लिए यूज करते हैं dear kids? him हम करते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन में यूज करते हैं बॉयज के लिए. तो instead of Mike we can say Nadia loves sitting next to him. Now see the third example. Are you going to buy the laptop? For non-living things what we use? It. So we will write are you going to buy it? Instead of laptop we are saying it. Now come to the fourth example, us. Anna always write email to Ria and me. अब जहाँ पे भी हम included होते हैं हम we और us का यूज करते थे, वैसे ही हम इसमें भी us का यूज करेंगे instead of we, because we is what? Subject pronoun as well as us is object pronoun. So Anna always write emails to us. Now let us see more examples of object pronouns. The next example is of them. Third person plural object pronoun. Them is third person plural object pronoun. He watch action movies. For action movies, we can say he watches them. Instead of saying action movies, we can say them. Now see example of her. Ram likes Riya. Instead of saying Riya, we can say Ram likes her. Now let's review what we had learned. Object pronouns takes the place of nouns that are direct or indirect objects. Object pronouns are singular, me, you, him, her, it. Plural object pronouns are us, you, them. इसका मतलब है जब भी सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस की हम बात करेंगे तो हम यूज करेंगे मी, यू, हिम, हर, इट. और जब भी प्लूरल अगर ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस होंगे, प्लूरल ऑब्जेक्ट्स के लिए बात करेंगे तो अस, यू, देम का यूज करेंगे. Now dear kids, open your textbook, take out your pencil and eraser and let's get started with the explanation of textbook chapter number 8 and then we will proceed for our exercise portion. So open your textbook, chapter number 8. Chapter number 8, page number 30. Me, her, him, us, them. Object pronouns. Read these sentences. Notice how the words in green change. I am Sue. Mother loves me. Instead of I, what is written here? Me. And me is singular object pronoun. Then let's see the next example. He is singing a song. Grandma taught him the song. Grandma taught him the song. यहाँ पे हमने वर्ब के बाद लगाया ना ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. जैसा कि मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले ही एक्सप्लेन किया, हम ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस वर्ब के बाद लगाते हैं. Now let's see the another example. She is reading a book. I gave it to her. She is reading a book. I gave it to her. We use me to talk about ourselves. We use me to talk about ourselves. हम मी का यूज तब करते हैं जब हम खुद के बारे में बात करते हैं. Then we use him to talk about boy or man. हम him का यूज कब करते हैं जब हम boy या man के बारे में बात करते हैं. Then we use her to talk about girl or a woman. हम हर का यूज कब करते हैं जब हम किसी गर्ल या वुमेन के बारे में बात करते हैं तब. Now let's see more examples. We are going to the park. Ajay will meet us there. We use us to talk about people including ourselves. हम us का यूज तब करते हैं जब हम उन लोगों के बारे में बात करते हैं जिसमें हम भी इंक्लूडेड होते हैं. Now let's see the next example. They are not home. Mom took them shopping. They are not home. Mom took them shopping. Here you have to add one thing. They are not at home. at लगा दीजिए यहाँ पे. इसी तरह आपको at लगा देना है यहाँ पे. They are not at home. Mom took them shopping. Now see, we use them to talk about other people. हम them का यूज तब करते हैं जब हम दूसरे लोगों के बारे में बात करते हैं. Now let's see the next example. Where are you? Anita is waiting for you. We use you for the person we are speaking to. हम you का यूज तब करते हैं जब हम किसी दूसरे पर्सन से बात कर रहे होते हैं. Now come to page number 31. Now there is one more example in page number 31. The dog is barking. It is hungry. Give it some food. We use it to talk about animals, things and places. हम it का यूज तब करते हैं जब हम किसी एनिमल, थिंग या प्लेसेस के बारे में बात करते हैं. Here is one table. इस टेबल को स्टार करके टिक कर लीजिए. इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर अस बिकॉज इट विल टेल अस कि हम आई के लिए मी का यूज करते हैं, ही के लिए हिम का यूज करते हैं, शी के लिए हर, इट के लिए इट, यू के लिए यू, वी के लिए अस, दे के लिए देम. दिस ऑल आर सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस वेयर एज दिस ऑल आर ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस. Now come to the exercise portion, question number 1. In question number 1, what we have to do is fill in the blanks with him, her, us or them. One has been done for you. We have to fill in the blanks with him, her, us or them. और एक हमारे लिए किया हुआ है, सारा एंड एना. हम किसी और के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, सो वी विल राइट देम. नाउ द स्टूडेंट्स. हियर ऑल्सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अदर स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी विल राइट देम. नाउ सी B1 is remaining. First let us complete B1 also. The boy. Here we will write him. Why? Because it's a boy and we use he. And for he in this table, object pronoun is him. So we will write him over here. Then come to D1, James and I. We use us. Why we had used us? Because we use us to talk about people including ourselves. Now come to the woman. We will use her. As for girl and woman, we use her. Now come to F1, grandfather. For grandfather we will use him. As for boys and mans we use him. Now come to question number 2. Tick the correct word. One has been done for us. That is a ball. Catch it. As for non-living things or animals or place we use it. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे उन्होंने इसलिए यहाँ पे टिक किया है it में. Now see B1. The postman gave dash a letter. The postman gave me a letter. Tick me. Now turn the page. Come to page number 32. So dear kids, in page number 32 there are some more questions of exercise number 2. Let us solve it also. C1 is the teacher is speaking to us. We have to tick us, as us is object pronoun. Now come to D1. My mother saw Susie and you at the mall. My mother saw Susie and you at the mall. We will tick you over here. Now come to E1. I am going to the zoo with them. So we will tick them. Now see F1. She is a good dancer. I like to watch her dance. Mother will help me do the homework. Mother will help me to do the homework. Now come to H1. I walk to school with him every day. I walk to school with him every day. Now come to question number 3. Replace the words in bold with the words given below. Write them in the blanks. One has been done for you. What we have to do is हमें रिप्लेस करना है ये सारे वर्ड्स को जो भी ब्लॉक में है ना, बोल्ड में, ये सारे बोल्ड लेटर्स को हमें ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन से रिप्लेस करना है. तो लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन डू इट. Dear kids, it's a very easy exercise. What we have to do is simply we have to change this bold wala letters into object pronouns, and help box is already given to us. Alright, so see here, the first one is I bought a gift for Jack and Jill. For Jack and Jill I had written them. Why I had written them? As Jack and Jill, हम उन लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, person we are speaking about. So I had written them. Now there is enough candy for you and me. Enough candy for you and me. It include myself. So I had written us. Now question number C, D and E of page number 32 is your homework. What you have to do is simply you have to see that if there is a boy, so we will write him. If there is a girl, we will write her. And if there is a non-living thing, animal or place, we will write it. I hope this hint is enough for you all and you will able to solve this exercise. In case you are unable to do this exercise or you face any difficulty, feel free to ask me. So, thank you dear kids. Keep studying. Bye and take care.